Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be doing an unboxing for this HadinEEon Immersion cooker. It's a Sous Vide cooker, and they sent this to me I've had it about 2 weeks now. And this is just the unboxing. I'll be doing the actual demo a little later. I'll probably do some steak first. So this is the way the box looks, and it comes packaged up in another brown Amazon box. They always package it up nicely. Okay, let's get it. And I've already thrown that box away because, like I said, I've had this for about 2 weeks now. Okay. It comes packaged up in here nicely so nothing is jiggling around. It comes with free gifts you can get. Okay, here's the manual. Here's a quick guide. That's just the instructions. Okay, it is. And this is quick guide. Y'all can sous vide some eggs, y'all. Look at that. This is all new to me. And you can actually sous vide stuff in canning jars. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay, what's this? Oh, these are little tips, little handy tips. Okay, let's get to the product itself. And I don't have a sous vide container to cook in, so I'm going to use my stainless steel Instant Pot. It has to be something that's deep enough to cover where it says the max line, where you fill up the water. It has to be deep enough so this can stick down in it. And it has a big clip on the back, so I can clip on the back of whatever container you use. You can use a big pot. I'm going to get what I'll be using. Okay, I got a couple things that I'll be using. First, I got this Instant Pot insert, stainless steel. Put this in here, like that. Put that little clip on here to hold this in place. Fill this up with water and plug it in, and it has a max and a minimum line on here, so you have to have at least this much water up to the minimum line for this thing to work and for the water to circulate. So I can use just a regular cooking pot. Put that in there. And the pot has to be tall enough for this little clip thing to fit. See how it fits on here? So. Okay, this here is the control panel, and it has on it a power on and off switch is right there at the top, and in this area here it will show the temperature and the time. As if it was plugged in, you would see some numbers in this area here. And it has an increase the time and temp setting or decrease time setting. The up and the down arrows. And this little doohickey thing in the middle, that's the setup button. Okay. This is the clamp, like I showed y'all before. It has a regular, it's a 3-prong grounded plug. Whenever you're dealing with water and electricity, you need a grounded plug. It has a maximum water level and a minimum water level. Max and minimum. And what's 11? And the water pump is inside of here. That's what's going to pump the water to circulate the water and keep a constant temperature to your water. So you all will see the actual control panel light up once I'm doing a demo and I plug it in. Oh, that's going to light up. So that's my little unboxing review. Like I said, the demo of me actually sous videing some food, that's going to come later. So I think it's nice. It's a nice weight to it, nice heavy duty. This is the way the box looks. Precise temp control. Make restaurant quality meals at home. This steak looks wonderful. Needs to be a little more well cooked for me though. Look at that. You can cook vegetables, eggs, fish. This is a whole new way of cooking for me. So I'm gonna get this down pat. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Leave a nice comment. Thumbs up this video. And I'll leave a link to this immersion cooker, Sous Vide thingamajig, in my description box. And you can find this on Amazon.com. Very nice. Good weight to it. So it's not junk. Okay. And it's not a toy. So I'm going for real now. And so be on the lookout for my demo video using my HadinEEon Immersion cooker, Sous Vide machine. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.